Con 55 minutos, muy buenos días y qué gusto saludarnos nuevamente en esta mañana un poco fresca aquí en la ciudad de Guadalajara. Veamos las condiciones actuales y es que solamente hay 18 grados en la temperatura, el viento sopla del suroeste a 6 kilómetros por hora, de humedad tenemos 84% y el cielo se encuentra nublado con bastantes posibilidades.
Summer cancelled, August set for washout as rain batters Britain. Weather outlook, Getty soaked, Britain will get very wet over the next few weeks. Torrential downpours and thunder will batter parts of the country tomorrow and Sunday, ruining any barbecue or beach plans. The June heatwave, which reached record temperatures of 36°C, is a distant memory. Unseasonably wet and windy weather is set to cause more misery for Brits in August. The worst of the weather is coming next week. Getty showers, Britain will see showers for weeks. The worst of the heavy showers and thunder is forecast this Sunday. Met Office spokeswoman Nicola Maxey said, heavier rain is forecast further south on Saturday. More widespread showers are forecast on Sunday and some of these will be heavy and thundery with a similar picture into the start of next week. Eric Leister, there is a further risk of thunder and isolated heavy downpours on Monday and Tuesday before it turns a bit drier midweek, she added. There are signs of high pressure building towards the end of next week bringing more settled conditions, but this is still uncertain. The weather is remaining unseasonable. AccuWeather forecaster Eric Leister said persistent stormy weather will ruin the summer. He said, summer warmth has vanished from the United Kingdom since the middle of the month and is not expected to return anytime soon. A persistent weather pattern featuring storms from the Atlantic impacting the UK will result in frequent rainfall and shots of cool air into next week. Anyone hoping for a heatwave is going to be greatly disappointed as near to below normal temperatures will prevail through the first half of August, he continued. Along with the below normal temperatures, there will be numerous rounds of showers and gusty winds. This combination will result in it feeling more like early autumn than the middle of summer.